Here are a few tips and tricks to help get you started with your Ninja Blendboss. Loading the ingredients correctly will help you achieve the perfect blend. It is recommended to use 6 to 8 ounces of liquid to achieve a successful blend. Reference minimum liquid if needed. When loading, do not go past the max fill line. This blender is packed with a ton of intelligence on top of its power. The intelligent Auto IQ programs combine unique blending and pausing patterns that do the work for you. Once an Auto IQ program is selected, it will start immediately and automatically stop when blending is complete. All 5 progress bar lights will shut off when program is complete. After blending, if still having problems, add 2 tablespoons to a 1/4 cup of liquid. Then press pulse for extra blending. When making thicker recipes like smoothies or protein shakes, pull the sleeve back to make sure all ingredients are fully blended before taking it on the go. The motor base is equipped with a progress bar. These lights illuminate as the program runs. Lights shut off automatically when program is complete. In order to start blending in the Blendboss, you need to add the crush blade to the vessel after your ingredients have been added. Place the crush blade assembly on the top of the cup and turn clockwise to seal. Once you are done blending and want to take your vessel on the go, flip the cup right side up. Then remove the blade assembly by twisting counterclockwise. From there, to add the lid for easy sipping on the go, place the lid onto the cup. To attach, begin with the lid oriented towards you while holding the cup twist clockwise to secure.